maths class. Before starting the class, today's we have to look at today's thought of the day. Great thought of the day. Today's thought is that do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Just do it now. जो भी करना है आपको वो अभी करना है. Sometimes later becomes never. कभी कभी जो देर होती है वो कभी नहीं आती है. कि किसी काम में हम जो देरी करते हैं वो कभी नहीं हो पाता है फिर वो काम. जो भी हमें करना है, जो भी हमें पढ़ना है वो अभी करना पड़ेगा. जो भी हमें मेहनत करनी है वो अभी करनी होगी. सो डू इट नाउ. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास. टुडेज is the date 7 of July 2020. Day is Tuesday. Subject maths. Topic trigonometry. In the previous class we have read about some expressions and we have solved some exercises on these expressions. In today's class we read about some identities of trigonometry. Hello students, welcome back to online classes. In the previous class we have solved some questions about these trigonometric ratios. In today's class we read about some trigonometric identities. First identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these are the three identities of trigonometry. In today's class we have solve these identities and prove these identities. So let's start for the first identity of trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. तो इसको सोल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे. हमने एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बना लिया. This is A, B and C. This is the angle of theta. This is the 90 degree angle. This is perpendicular for this angle. This is the base and this is the hypotenuse. And so sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We have read already. Sin theta is equal to cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. We have read just opposite. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, perpendicular base, and cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. So to prove these identities we have read about the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to p square plus b square का whole root. So here is the according to the Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, a b का square plus AC का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू BC का होल स्क्वायर, क्योंकि हाइपोटेनस है, हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB base square plus perpendicular का square. If I divide to the both side by b square, divide by b square to both sides, दोनों तरफ बी स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करने पर, तो यहाँ बी स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर प्लस पी स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस अपॉन बी स्क्वायर. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस पी अपॉन बी का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन बी का होल स्क्वायर. देन P upon B is equal to P upon B. P upon B is equal to tan theta. Then we can write here 1 plus tan theta का square is equal to H upon B. H upon B is equal to sec theta. Means sec theta का whole square. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is the first identity. Now again in this expression, we have to divide by h square to the both side. Means in this expression this side divided by h square and this h square. So we have right here p square plus b square is equal to h square divide by h square to both side. P square by h square plus b square by h square is equal to h square by h square. Then this is the one is equal to p upon h का whole square plus b h का whole square. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sin theta whole square plus base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta to 1. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the second identity. Now for the third expression we have to divide both side with the b square. First divide by b square, second divide by h square, and for the third identity we have to divide by p square. By p square. Divide by p square to the both side. Sides p square upon p square plus b square upon p square is equal to h square upon p square. This value is equal to 1. One plus p upon b whole square is equal to h upon p base upon perpendicular is equal to 1 plus cot theta का square is equal to hypotenuse or upon perpendicular is equal to cosec theta whole square. Then 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and this is the third identity we have read. So these are the three identities to learn and how these identities comes we have read. I hope you ये सबको समझ में आएगा और आसान होगा. So thanks for watching. Thank you.